Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yash, and very congratulations to you on completing the day 4th of this Solidity bootcamp. So, in the last video, we have learned about Stack Overflow or Overflow in Solidity. It was really pretty fun doing that, and uh, we learned there how previous version of Solidity were incompatible. I can't pronouncing the cannot pronounce that word because I have eaten something sour. So not compatible. Let's suppose I'm saying compatible. Now. So it was not good for previous version was having bugs while this you because the stack overflow happened, the valued overflow to 0. Okay, so in the recent version this is fixed and not uh, it does not change anymore. It does not make it 0, it remains the same. So in this video we will be talking about arrays. What are arrays? So I will be not explaining what is array, how it is stored, because there are so. If you have, I hope you have learned. I hope you have done any programming language before Solidity, because I have said that you should having some knowledge about a programming language before learning the Solidity. So we will be doing how to initialize array, what are fixed now, what are fixed array and what are dynamic arrays in Solidity, even that what are bytes array. So bytes array we will be doing in next video. Fine, all good. Yeah, so in this video we will be talking more about what are arrays, what not what are arrays. We know what are as collections of elements in a list. Arrays, what are fixed arrays, how to initialize it, what are syntax of fixed arrays, and what are dynamic arrays. Fine. So I have list over there what to teach you because I forgot. So I'm very proud of I'm making this video very continuous because I'm not stable anymore. I've, and so I have bought these Crocs. How is these? Just tell me. It's good. I know. I love them because they are very comfortable. Okay, so Safari or Chrome. Okay, so we will do remix. Yeah, very good. So in this video we are talking about arrays.sol. Very good. We will be copy pasting these because I don't like to write these again and again. It's waste of time. You can also do, we will create a contract name array. Who was there? So I'm making the videos continuously because I have to leave tomorrow morning, and it's 9 11 19 11 o'clock at night. Okay, so I have to also sleep. I have to pack my bags. I'm making this video for you. How much hard work I'm doing. Let's concentrate on our array. Okay, array. Arrays. How to initialize array? Uint. It's same like Java. Same like Java. So it's very similar to Java syntax while creating an array. So we can create a int or uint. We'll, for best practice, use uint. If you are looking for a negative number, you can use int. Brackets, then array. Fine. we would having a getter function, so we make this. So this is syntax of array. Fine. This is syntax of array. So what a fixed array? Fixed array. We have to initialize the size of array before of at a runtime. Like we are having a array of size 4, so we will make like this: 1 2 3 4 5 5. Yeah. Leave. Why it is showing error? Okay, so sorry. No, correct. So if we press this, something like this, if we, so basically in array the getter function is this: on what index we are finding the, if we are finding on the zeroth index, we will be getting 1. If on one index we will be getting 2. In the, if on second index we will be getting 3. You know na how our index are mapped in the array. So this element is zeroth element, this is first, this is second, this is third. This is now 1 2 3 4 like this. Fine. Yeah. So we know how to make fixed arrays. Now we will be doing what? We will be doing set of function. How to set in array. So if we want something like, I don't like 2 here, so we can make it 5. I don't like 2 here, make it 5. We will set functions. Set functions. Let us make it. No. Okay. Set functions. Functions set. So what we need to change an array? We need 2 parameters, 2 arguments. The one is index, and the second one is the value. Okay. We will make it public, and it will return us. No, it what it does, the set function. We have made set functions previously, something like this. Functions set. Here, but here we are just in this video, we are just passing some arguments over here. So what set of functions do is, what array, or let us suppose a okay, array, we are doing array, so array at index, it will change a value. At array at y well, type into okay, UN. We have to sorry. Oh, my bad. Practice. No compiler error. So what it is saying, that in ith index of array we will change a value. We will set a value. This. Let us compile. Let us deploy. Automatic compile. Let us deploy. First of all, we will see our array. What's on 0? Okay. So I can do, okay, what's on 0? It's 1. So we want to change element 2 to 5, or 3 to 5. So what's the next value of 3? 0 1 2. So let us see what's on 2. It's coming 3. So now what we will do is, let me do it index so it will be more clear to you. Oh, array dot sol index Fine. Let us deploy it now. Deploy. Huh. So on second index, we are getting 3. Now, what we can do, we can make it like this, or we can do it like this. I will be making on index. On index 2, I want 5. Let us transact it. Now we will see. Here we comes 5. Okay. Now I want at one element should be changed to 10 or 100. So one element number 1, element number 0 change to 100. Set element number 0, it will become 100. This is something. So yeah, we are done with set of functions. And one more thing, we are done fixed and set. Okay, so now what we will make some length to a return length means what is the length of array, length or size. Okay, so for this we will make a function. For everything we are making function. We make it length. Okay, public view. Okay, public view. Why we are writing view? Because we are reading something from our state variable. Public view returns, because we are returning some numbers size. Returns what we are returning a uint, unsigned integer. Returns array dot length. It's same as Java. In Java also we return array dot length if we want. If we call array dot length if we want the length of the array. Oh no, shit. Return, sorry. My bad. Yeah, now let's deploy. We will get one more button. I love these, so many buttons over there. So let us what's on 0. We have 1, so we will change it to change it. Okay, we have because it is saying we have previously changed to 100, but we have deleted that deployment, and it is now the same deployment. So for checking the length, we put on length, so it becomes 4. If I change my length to 5, fine. And now deploy this. Length will become 5. Okay, and the space for one more will be become. So what we can do at fourth index, we will make 100 set, because we are having 5 size of. So what we will check, we in fourth index we are getting 100. Fine. Now we will be talking about dynamic size. We will comment this out, or we will create a new file, darray 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 dot sol. Yeah, contract darray. Fine. So what is dynamic array? Dynamic array is that array which is dynamically increase its length. Means the value we put, it will become its the size of the length. We will be doing right now. The size of the length of the array will also increase as we increase the element in the array. So for declaring the dynamic array, we do not put size in that. We just make it uint array. We will make it 0, means we will not declare its size. We'll make it public. We will make an array or nums. Now we'll be using nums. Okay, so let us deploy this. Deploy darray. It is initially 0. it is nothing here, means it is not, there is no element in the array. So for this, for setting this, we will push something to our unsized array, an array which is not, which is having size 0. So as soon as we push something, it will become 1, the length of the array will become 1. If we push second element, it will become second, length of the array will become second. So we'll make a push function. I hope you're getting. If you have previous knowledge of learning of any programming language, you know. We will make a push function with value argument I'm passing, because we will be pushing some value of this. Okay, public public. Okay, okay, so same, we have some inbuilt library dot like array nums dot push nums dot push, and here we will write value. Oh, value. Fine, successfully compiled. Now the time has come to deploy. The function has been deployed with gas fees. So let us check. Initially there is nothing in the array. So as soon as we push, so first of all I will push 100. Let us push 1000. So at index 0 it will become 1000. Then then we will push 2000. So at index 0 it will be 1000, at index 1 it will be 2000. Likewise we will push 3000, push 4000, push, and 5000, push. Okay, so if we want at 3, what is at 3? It is 4000. So in the main benefit of making a fixed size array is that we know its size. Uh, for getting the size of the dynamic array, we create a function. This is called push or setting, 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 or setter function. We will make a length public returns. Also it is viewing, so view returns what it returns, uint. Fine, we will be return nums dot length. Fine, deploy. So we have to push it one more time. Push 2, 3, 4, and 5. Length of this is 5. Basically, if we push more elements at 6 or 7000, push, it will become 6. At index number 5, what we are getting, this. Easy. So there's one more function. This is for length. Length, if you want to delete at some index, we use pop function. So it pop the value, pop Korean pop. So we'll make a pop function Okay, same as the push, but we will be not giving arguments. Okay, let me do first. So num dot pop. Fine, fine. So we can also do at event a particular index. We will pop a value index. Okay, so it's not working currently. Don't know why. Yeah, now it's fine. So फिर से लिखना पड़ेगा 1 2 2 3 4 5 6,000 push. Length of array is 6. If we do it 5, so it's 6,000. So what if we don't need 6,000? If we make it a pop, and then we will check what's on 5. There's invalid opcode. If we check length, it will become 5 because the fifth element has been popped. Now there is no fifth index in the array. So if we check length, it is 5. Previously it was 6. You can back 5 or 10 seconds. So now if we check fourth, it is giving us 5. Okay. If we pop then and see the length, it is giving us 4. If we check nums, it is given an opcode. The execution might have thrown. It has popped. 3, 4. It is calling. It is successfully called. Okay. If we pop, then call, it is nothing. Opcode means it is popped. The length is 3. Now if we do this, 0. Fine. So here I think we are done with yeah. So here we are done with our array, the fixed and dynamic array. So I think most of the student watching this video are not getting current feel of this. The reason is why if you learn any programming language like Java and C++, you are particularly solving a question, also solving questions of that questions. Yeah, on either a lead code or code chef or hacker rank. Okay, fine. But solidity is not something like for solving questions. It's kind of for development. So don't worry, we will be having so much fun in future videos. Once we complete this Solidity basics, we will be writing smart contracts. Okay, we will be doing projects on smart contracts that will be on your GitHub. I will show you how what is GitHub, and GitHub is so much important. If you are a developer, or even you're a computer science student, or you're a coding guy who loves to code, who loves to store code, GitHub is something very great. You can do open source from GitHub. I will be teaching you that. So till then, what's the time? Let's see. I think I'm going for how many days? The fourth, third has been recorded. This is the fifth day of the boot camp, I think. Fifth day. Let me check. Array, the Stack Overflow, array. Okay. the day fourth. Huh. So this is the fifth day. So I will be doing the next byte array after coming from my holiday. Actually, I'm going to my mother's native place. So if you are liking this video, please go and subscribe to the channel. Okay, please go and subscribe to my channel, this channel. And if you're really enjoying learning, see, the blockchain development is kind of thing that you don't, let me open the code. It's good. Okay, that you don't have proper resources on the internet. Even when I was studying, I don't have proper resources. I've studied from lot of uh, from YouTube channels, from Solidity documents, from documents written by some developers, lot of things. I was misguided. I was in a bad phase. So keep learning what I'm saying. We will be inviting so many Web3 developers in this channel. We will doing podcasts. So we are also inviting a web developer. I will be not revealing his name right now, but we are in contact. I'm in contact with him. So we will be doing podcasts on how to start web development. Even I'm also a web developer. I'm a front end developer, and I'm a Web3 full stack developer right now. So how to start Web3 development? And if you will say, I will also make a web development course if I have time, because I'm managing my studies, my personal projects, and so many things at the same time. I've also taken part in certain stage drama. So I'm what I'm saying. I have also give time to it. Okay. So till then, happy learning, happy hacking. So when you initialize your React application, it says you happy hacking, happy development. So till then, we will be posting our day 6 on byte array, and then day 7 we will be doing if else loops, and and then loops and for loops and if else. Okay. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, learn in community. Do share your feedback in Twitter. Follow my Twitter account. Till then, bye bye. Share this experience. Share the video. Tell how I'm teaching. Like my video, and you all know all the stuffs to do. So now uh, I'm
Closed
stopping
doors,
this
I'm a
video.
fool for your love.